Aisha, and today we are going to do some science experiments. So this is balloon inflation, the science experiment, and this is a bottle, vinegar, baking soda, balloon, and some gloves also because we don't use it outside, and this is a cup. And so first is we need to add a baking soda in this inside. So I need help. So open this. And now we need to add vinegar inside this.
Hold the bottle for me, please. Yeah. See this, guys. See, what?
This is the way that you do it, guys. See, looks. It's getting air into like that. It's blowing. Inflating like it's blowing. Like the air. And we can also do it the gloves.
The same one with gloves and
The gloves.
that will go like a hand.
Yeah, it will go like that. The second science experiment, guys. Yeah. So this is a lighter, a toothpick, a paper, small paper you need, and a cut lemon and a candle. So you need to dip this other side. See, can you see the side? So you need to dip it like inside. Now you can write your name or you can say hi. I'm going to write hi. Okay, you need to dip it one more time. Now write I. I'm going to write I. Oh. Okay, you need some help, so yeah. So we need to let it dry, so we need to do it like that. Now we need to do it like that. You need to do it like that, guys. It looks very thick. Then when it gets a little bit burned and something, the paper, you can see on high or something. You can also draw flower or anything else, guys. Don't go close to far. It's scary. Okay, we need to dry more, just a little more. So do that. So guys, after you write hi, you need to dip it like that, like
Upside down.
upside down, yeah, upside down. And then it will get burned, like the paper will get burned. See, it will get like that. It will get like that. You can see hi over there written. So it will look so cool if you see this. See, hi. That's all for today, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.